Hey, this is Mike Freeze from Stylin Trucks, and welcome to Stylin's Hidden Gems, where we'll highlight various Stylin employees and their hidden talents. First up is our man Jeff from the Call Center. What he's going to attempt to do is solve the Rubik's Cube in under 3 minutes. But first, we gotta mix it up a little bit. Here you go, Jeff. Start the timer.
Mr. Freeze, can you do anything entertaining next to him? Otherwise, this is boring. Can you give us an update? Get your face down close. This is a 1.5-minute update here from Mike Freeze.
We are now on the 1:30 mark. How you doing, Jeff?
You need something to drink? You need some water?
No, I'll be alright. It's getting there. It's a little bit more.
He's getting some sweat on his brow. Look at him, all orange. He's getting there.
Got the top layer done.
Alright.
Working on the second layer.
So what do they call you? Was it Jeff the Magnificent or just the Magnificent Jeff?
I actually get both, to be honest.
Jeff the Great.
So how did you learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube puzzle?
Just kept playing with them when I was younger and eventually, after playing with it enough, I figured out exactly what you need to do to get it where you need to go to solve it. Got the second layer done. See, and then the third.
Is this something that you do to entertain at house parties or?
Yeah, it's a great way to meet women, actually. They love it.
So, I mean, this is only one Rubik's Cube, but I guess you've done up to 6 at a time?
Yeah, I can solve anywhere from 1 to 6 at any given time. It's just a matter of getting her done, knocking her out.
Now, have you found that every Rubik's Cube is the same, or do some have smoother action than others? Because this is the Pro version, right?
That is correct. This is the top of the line Pro model. There are some basic standard models that people like me just won't waste their time with, but they are sold in stores for the masses.
Now, what's the difference between a regular one that's sold to the masses and the Pro that you're handling right now?
It's got better action. This one's going to fly around. You can make your turns a lot quicker, get your rotations going. It's better for solving with a little bit of speed than the stock ones.
And these actually include a high temperature grease, because some of the amateur ones actually can melt.
That is right. These are greased up to the high specifications, so it doesn't matter how fast you get it going. there will be no melting of the Pro model Rubik's Cube.
Nice.
Now, what are the competitions like? I'm pretty sure that you have been in some before.
They're pretty grueling, actually. You'd be amazed at the competition that
What?
comes out for something like this.
Done.
People really get into it, yep.
Can we get the official time on that? What was that, a minute 45?
My friend, that was well under the time.
3-minute mark, all right.
Nice.
There you have it. Red, white, blue, green, yellow, orange. All done. So what do you think, Jeff?
It's awesome. Another job, well done.
Look for our next edition of Stylin Hidden Gems.
Until it gets stuck.
So what do you think, Jeff?
It's awesome. Another job, well done.
Look for our next edition of Stylin All-Stars.
Look for our next. Look for.
Wait. Good job, Joe.
Joe dropped it.
Wow, Joe. Redo that one now.